Hey ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio, and got another car we're getting ready to put out on the lot. I'd like to share it with you. This is a 2015 Kia Forte. So we'll do a little quick walk around, show you the inside. This has got a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine, so it should get you a very good gas mileage. Silver in color, very nice car, very nice car. It's inexpensive too. So go back here, show you the back end of it. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk open. Okay, that was quick. I'm pretty fast at this. So there's what you got here, and I'm telling you, it's very clean inside too. So we'll continue to do our walk around. Got the sun hitting it on this side. Body appears to be in very good condition. One thing I do want to point out, on your mirrors, they do have turn signals that are built into them for a safety feature. Let's go ahead and take a look in back. Okay, here we go. We do have a two-tone black cloth interior. And go up here, I'll show you the headliner appears to be in good condition. Let's go ahead and hop up front. Okay, before we get up front, let's go ahead and show you what it looks like from here. And your door panel's black with your window controls. Okay, we're on the inside, so I'll show you a quick little panoramic view. And let me get in here close and show you the instrument cluster on this. As of right now, the mileage 74,073 miles. Very attractive looking instrument cluster on this. When you get in your steering wheel, you do have controls. Your audio, Bluetooth is here on the left, and cruise control on the right, trip odometers. And you get up here, you can see you do have a clock and some other functions. CD player right here. And you get into the radio component, it does have XM, Sirius XM capabilities. And you get down here with your climate control and AC. You do have storage compartment right here, and you've got multiple ports. 12-volt auxiliary and USB capabilities for all your electronic devices. Your gear shift here, automatic. You got two cup holders, storage area here. Let me show you the back. Okay, there's the back seat. You do have ample area back there. Okay guys, that is the tour of our 2015 Kia Forte. 4-cylinder engine, 4-door. Very nice car inside out, and it's inexpensive, guys. So you're going to be able to get in this thing, have a very, very low, nice, affordable payment. Still has low miles on it. But if you got any questions, feel free to give us a call. Area code 740-992-4443 with any questions. If you're interested in financing, we can hook you up with that also. So with that, have a great day.